Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a brick driveway. First, carefully plan your layout. Measure the area to determine the exact amount of materials needed, including bricks, sand, and gravel. Remember to factor in a slight slope, about 1/4 inch per foot, for effective water drainage away from your home. Then, excavate the entire area to a depth of at least 10 inches to accommodate the base layers. Next, prepare a robust foundation. Begin by laying a durable geotextile fabric across the excavated area. This helps prevent weeds and stabilizes the base. On top of this, spread a 6-inch layer of crushed stone, compacting it firmly with a plate compactor. Finally, add a 1-inch layer of bedding sand, carefully screeding it to achieve a perfectly level surface for your bricks. Now, it is time to lay your pavers. Start from a fixed edge or corner, working your way across the driveway in your desired pattern, such as herringbone or basket weave. Ensure consistent spacing between each brick, typically about 1/8 inch, using small spacers if needed. Gently tap each brick into the sand bed with a rubber mallet to set it firmly and evenly. For the final touches, sweep polymeric sand across the entire driveway, ensuring it fills all the joints completely. This specialized sand hardens when wet, locking the bricks in place and preventing weed growth. Lightly mist the surface with water to activate the polymeric sand, following the product's instructions. For added protection and enhanced appearance, consider applying a high-quality paver sealant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.